there's our potatoes. I'll take you guys on a tour of the chicken coop when I go and dump my old stuff over there. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, so you guys can see my drying rack right here. So this is how I help let my potatoes be dry. And as you can see in here, these are a batch from a different part of the backyard, and they're pretty dry and their skins have hardened up. It's hard to like dent the skin. It's pretty tough. So these are ready for storage just as they are. I'll pick through the bad ones and I'll start my new ones drying on the same rack. So I'll get a bucket here.